Welcome to Business Analytics course. Today we will see about MBA. MBA here it means Market Basket Analysis. So let us see first what is Market Basket Analysis. So it is a modeling technique based on the theory that if you buy a certain group of items, you are more likely to buy another group of items. So the purpose of doing this market basket analysis is to determine what products customer purchase together. This means that we are more interested in knowing about the products which are bought together. So for identifying this information, we use the data called scanner data. So what is scanner data? Scanner data is nothing but the sales data which is available in the point of sale of our retail outlet. So today when you enter into your retail outlet, you can see a billing counter over there where the products whichever customer takes for his consumption will be scanned into a scanner. So where that data will be entered for billing purpose. So that data will be stored in the retail outlet server. So we can collect the data and you do this market basket analysis. So here we use Tableau to do this market basket analysis. So already we have provided with a data sheet called Global Superstore. So this Global Superstore data is what we are going to do it for market basket analysis. So we are going to do a market basket analysis with the Global Superstore database. So here the sheet, the Excel workbook, what we selected is Global Superstore. So that workbook contains 3 sheets: orders, people and return. So we are going to use this order sheet for our MBA purpose. So we are going to drag this order into this area. So here we do one thing differently is we select this orders twice. So the purpose of selecting this orders twice is to create a data set, right? So here on what basis we are going to do this market basket analysis is one thing is based on the product ID, order ID. So for that we are selecting this order ID as the input data. On the other end, again the same order ID will be selected. Now we are going to select another parameter. So that parameter we call it as here we consider product subcategory as the criteria for to do this market basket analysis. So on the second data set also we are going to select the same subcategory, right? So here we need to change or give a condition that not equal to, and subcategories are not equal, we can do our analysis, right? So now we go to the sheets where we do this analysis. So here we have a sheet called market basket analysis. So we will be selecting this sheet. Now our sheet is ready. So as I told you, I am going to do this market basket analysis based on product subcategory. So I am dragging this subcategory into any of this row or columns. And again when you go down, you can see another subcategory. So select it and drag it in the other area. So you will get a table like this, right? So now we need to identify how many times these combination of products are being purchased, right? So to know that, I am selecting the product ID. So based on product ID, we are going to identify that. So drag this product ID and put it into this text. So data is getting processed. Yes. So we are getting an output like this. So the values will be very minute in size. So we are going to extract the data which are unique in value. So to get the unique IDs, we go to this drop down menu where we can see this measures. In measures we are going to select count distinct one. So once you do that, your table will be ready So we are going to view it in the full screen mode. Yes, so this is the data which is extracted. So this data will tell you how many times these two products are brought together, right? So to have a clear understanding about the pattern of products being purchased, we are going to give colors for this table. So to give colors, I am interested in knowing about the profit that is generated by the combination of products. So what I am doing is I am dragging this profit and putting it in colors. So the moment we do that, colors will be applicable, but still we are not able to get a clear visualizing effect. So to have a clear visualizing effort, so what we do is we go to this automatic area, we will select it to squares. So once you do that, you will get a clear visualize about the combination of products that are being purchased frequently, right? So this area will tell you what is the profit that is generated by the combination of goods that are being purchased together. So dark blue means that particular combination of product gives you more revenue to your business. So here in this data set, we have dark blue in two areas. The first combination will be the copier and binders. So when you keep the cursor on that, you can see what is that product combination, how much times that combination of product is being purchased, and what is the revenue generated by that product. So that will be clear in that particular point. So here copier and binders are purchased together for 424 times, and the profit generated out of this sale is 73,338, right? So the second dark blue area is here. So here again the copier and storage. So copier and storage are brought together for 362 times, and the revenue generated out of this combination is 73,200. So this way we are able to identify which are all the combinations in which the product is being sold or purchased by the customer. So here this area data will be the mirror image of this area data. So we will remove any one of this area, so where we will be getting a clear image about what was the combination of goods that are being purchased by our customers. So to do that, what I am going to do is I am going to this data source. There I am going to this particular area. So instead of not equal to, I am going to click less than. Right. Now I'm coming back to market basket analysis. Right. So one of the area is being removed. So the remaining which is available here will be. So this area will tell you about the products which are being purchased together. So we will give a color to this. So we will change this blue color into some other color. So by going here, edit colors, I can select a different combination of colors. So I am increasing this step. So by default you have 5 steps. So you got 5 colors. If you want, you can increase this colors. So I am keeping it to 20, clicking on apply and click OK. So I am getting a light orange color to dark gray color, right? So this area will tell you about the profit that is generated by the combination of products. So dark orange or dark gray, whatever you call it as, dark maroon, right? So dark maroon, that gives you the value here. So 362. So product subcategory storage and copier, these two were purchased for 362 times together, and this have generated you a profit of 73,328 rupees, right? So the second highest profit generating product will be here. So again, that is storage and the phones, right? So phones and storages were brought together for 536 times, and the amount of profit generated is 41,738. So this way you can identify which combination of product gives you more return to your business. Normally in departmental stores or in any supermarket, they used to have this data, and they don't keep these products very close to each other. The reason is they know that these two products are purchased together, but still they don't keep it together. The reason is they want their customers to browse the products whatever they have kept for display. Once the customer is moving around the display area, he will be getting attracted to a product which is not in his purchase list. So in that way they are able to induce the customer to buy that particular product. So when you know in which combination the products are being sold, then you can place your inventory in such a way where you are able to make a good revenue from that particular combination of sales. So again, in this market basket analysis, when you go into very deeper analysis, you can still identify when these products are being sold, whether in the starting of the month or mid of the month or in the end of the month, or even you can go further in depth into the data and you can see whether these products are purchased in the first week, first days of the weeks, or in the midday of the weeks, or in the weekend, or likewise you can go with an analysis. Even you can do who is making this purchase, whether male and female are purchasing this, or how this product is being purchased. That combination also can be derived from this analysis. So this market basket analysis will help you to identify which are all the products that are being purchased together, and also it helps you to identify which products to be kept in stock and in how much. So what you do is try to collect a market basket data from your nearest retail outlet. You try to bring out the data in the Excel format, apply this Tableau tool, identify the combination of products that is being sold by the retail outlet, and try to suggest them that these are the products which are purchased together, and if you are concentrating on these items, you will be making a good revenue. Or likewise you can guide them in making their showroom display or planning for their inventory.